Kendis has a two-way sync with Jira, and any new stories created in Jira that are linked to the features will appear automatically on the Kendis board. However, if you make changes to your filter or JQL in Jira, then Kendis won't update your board with those features unless you manually use the Add or Remove features function. Head to the board settings and click the Add Remove features. You will be presented with the filters on your board and a drop-down of the user who added this filter. Unless you have a valid reason to change the selected user, it's best to leave this as is. By pressing Continue, Kendis will perform a comparison check of the contents in both Jira and Kendis. Then you will be presented with a list of features that are added or removed into the filter or JQL. This summary will include an export to Excel feature for your reference. Once you proceed, the features that are selected in the list will be added or removed. This gives more control on what contents should be on the board.